Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the problem. Note the SSID and that the device reports connected, no internet. Next, power cycle the modem and router for 30 seconds. This clears many transient faults. Once the network hardware reboots, open Command Prompt or Terminal as administrator so you can run tests. You will run quick checks like pinging 8 and ipconfig or ifconfig to collect addresses. This gets us immediate evidence and avoids guessing. Now move to targeted fixes. You now run targeted commands to isolate DNS and IP issues. First, ping public DNS servers like 8 and 1. If pings succeed, routing exists and DNS is likely the culprit. Once done, release and renew your IP to clear lease corruption. Use ipconfig or dhclient depending on your OS. After renewing, flush the DNS cache to remove stale entries. If DNS was the blocker, web names should resolve now. If not, finish by verifying the network adapter and driver. Open Device Manager or Network Settings, update, reinstall, or roll back the driver if it looks faulty. Then set manual DNS to 8 and 1 to rule out ISP DNS problems. Make sure to save and test. If problems persist, boot into safe mode with networking or try another device on the same Wi-Fi to determine whether the issue is local. Troubleshooting tip: if only one device fails, focus on its drivers and firewall. Otherwise, call the ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.